Have you got dull, wrinkled, and loose skin at a young age? Well, it's time to get in some good old goodness of these natural ingredients to firm, tighten, and get a glow on your skin right at home. Raw milk is an exceptional ingredient that deeply clears out the pores of excess oil, dirt, and blackheads. Simply just take some on a cotton pad and rub it all over your face for around a minute. Then cool off with cold water and do it daily for an everlasting effect. The next one is an old recipe passed down from generation to generation. Just add 2 tablespoons of besan, 1 tablespoon of malai, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Apply it on your face. Wash it off with warm water after 20 to 30 minutes. These ingredients work magically together as they are all known to exfoliate the skin naturally, giving you a fresh and beautiful glow. Age catching up faster than it should? Blame all of it on your poor lifestyle choices and diet. Now, instead of just sitting at home and crying, try these 3 easy ways to tighten and firm your skin naturally. Coconut oil is as natural as it is nourishing, moisturizing and increasing collagen production in the skin. Just take a teaspoon and massage it all over your face for 5 minutes. Known for its anti-aging properties, this natural ingredient will help slow down the aging process and make your skin feel plump and healthy. For the next one, mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey and the juice of 1 lemon. Mix, apply, and massage your skin gently in upward motions for a good 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it off and gently apply an ice cube to tighten your pores. Perfect for all skin types, honey has anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties that penetrate deeply into the skin, leaving it firm, soft, and supple. While lemon minimizes pores, brightens, and evens out the skin, giving you that healthy, natural glow. For the next one, never underestimate the power of natural oil like olive oil. Loaded with vitamins A and E, its anti-aging properties make it a go-to ingredient to firm and tighten the skin. Just take some on your palms and massage it on your face and neck for 5 minutes. Now it's time to not let age bother or define you because you have 5 amazing natural ingredients that have your back at all times. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.